Learning Progression, Virtual Scrapbook, Strand C, Algebra, C2, Variables. A powerful tool for teaching variables in kindergarten is 10 frames, supporting the OE15 curriculum expectation. A 10 frame is a valuable tool as it offers a structured, organized way to explore numbers which help make variables more concrete through the missing number approach. This encourages problem solving by focusing on finding the unknown value, naturally connecting to algebra through hands-on learning. For instruction and assessment, the 10 frame allows teachers to assess while also providing engaging games and activities. This chart outlines the progression of variable concepts across grades 1 through 6. The resources provided are flexible and can be adapted for multiple grade levels. Instead of assigning specific resources to each grade, I have included a variety of tools that can be used across different stages of learning to support students' understanding of variables. Meet Zari and Yari is a beginner-friendly introduction to variables that uses storytelling and characters to explain key concepts. The resource incorporates interactive elements such as card games and manipulatives to keep students engaged. It encourages discussion and problem solving while providing hands-on activities to reinforce learning. Designed for accessibility with simple fonts and minimal distractions, it supports differentiation for diverse learners and helps students understand variables through play, making it an effective tool for both instruction and assessment. Algebra tiles are a hands-on tool that help visualize algebraic concept by using squares and rectangles to represent constants and variables. Different colors indicate positive and negative values, making abstract algebra concrete and accessible. They support learning by helping students combine like terms, solve equations, and factor expressions. Algebra tiles encourage problem solving and critical thinking while catering to multiple learning styles. Additionally, they offer interactive activities for deeper understanding, making them an effective resource for instruction and assessment. Polypad provides interactive digital tools that enhance algebraic thinking by making abstract math concepts more visual and hands-on. Key tools for learning variables include algebra tiles to build and simplify expressions, the balance scale for solving equations visually, a function machine to explore input-output relationships, coordinate axes and tables to connect equations to graphs, and a variable slider to change values dynamically. These tools enhance problem solving and conceptual understanding, provide real-time feedback for deeper learning, and support differentiation with adaptable resources, ensuring that all students can engage with variables at their own pace. Solve Me Puzzles offers interactive visual puzzles that foster algebraic thinking and engage students in problem solving and logic. Key puzzle types such as Solve Me Mobiles teach balance and equations, Solve Me Who Am I strengthens number reasoning, and Solve Me Mystery Grid builds pattern recognition. These puzzles encourage hands-on exploration of variables, helping students develop logical reasoning and problem-solving skills. Additionally, they support differentiation with self-paced learning, allowing students to progress at their own pace while reinforcing important algebraic concepts. TVO Learn is a free Ontario curriculum-aligned resource that's easy to integrate into classrooms. It engages students with interactive content, blending traditional and digital learning to cater to diverse learners. By connecting math to real-world applications, TVO Learn makes math meaningful and helps students stay motivated. It supports variables by helping students classify patterns and repeating or increasing and guiding them to solve basic algebraic equations. Additionally, it integrates coding to create geometric designs. TVO Learn offers a structured lesson plan with minds-on, action, and consolidation phases, providing a hands-on, interactive approach to learning math. Printable worksheets reinforce and assess learning while supporting inquiry-based learning and problem-solving skills. The border problem is a rich task that encourages pattern recognition and algebraic thinking through a real-world problem-solving approach to variables. It supports multiple strategies for finding solutions, helping students develop a deep understanding of expressions and equations. By identifying patterns in growing figures, students are guided to express relationships using variables and reinforce their use of algebraic equations to describe patterns. This resource promotes inquiry-based, student-centered learning, encouraging mathematical reasoning and justification. It allows for differentiated instruction through multiple solution paths and provides assessment opportunities in problem-solving, patterning, and algebra using representations like tables, expressions, and visuals. Make Math Moments uses a 3-act math, a real-world problem-based approach to teaching math that encourages curiosity and inquiry. It engages students in mathematical thinking before formal instruction, helping them develop a deep understanding of variables and equations. Variables are introduced organically through problem solving, where students make predictions and refine their thinking. This approach fosters algebraic reasoning and meaningful connections. By promoting student-driven learning, 3-act math increases engagement and perseverance. It encourages mathematical discourse through reasoning and justification and supports differentiated instruction with open-ended question. It also provides multiple entry points for students with varying skill levels using visuals, estimation, and equations to explore relationships. Every Minute Count engages students through storytelling and real-life connections, making variables meaningful and accessible. It helps students understand how numbers change depending on different conditions and encourages problem solving and algebraic thinking. By relating variables to time, students can write simple algebraic expressions and track time in real-life situations using equations. This resource promotes inquiry-based learning, linking abstract concepts to everyday life. It encourages mathematical reasoning through estimation and problem solving, while providing opportunities for formative assessment through discussions and hands-on minute counting challenges. The 24 game turns math into an engaging hands-on challenge by introducing variables naturally through problem solving. It builds number frequency and algebraic reasoning while encouraging logical thinking and strategic problem solving. Players solve for unknown numbers, variables, using different operations, reinforcing equations and developing flexibility with numbers. The game promotes multiple strategies to reach the target number of 24. It also reduces math anxiety, builds confidence, and encourages discussion and reasoning in small groups. With varied difficulty levels, the game supports differentiated instruction and provides valuable formative assessment opportunities through student explanations and written reflections. IXL offers comprehensive structured practice across various math topics, providing an adaptive platform that adjusts difficulty based on students' progress. This allows for personalized learning with real-time feedback, helping students learn from their mistakes. As students work through interactive equations involving variables, IXL's step-by-step feedback encourages a deeper understanding of variable relationships. The diagnostic assessments create individualized learning paths, enabling teachers to assign targeted exercises that address specific areas of need. Additionally, progress reports track student performance, providing valuable data for formative assessment and targeted intervention.